Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I missed the entry, man. This was going to be my entry. Come on, give me then. Okay, it's better now. Yeah, welcome back to another trading session. I was in the chart for a while now. Finally found a good trade. There was a lot of good trades. I will show you. Let me see how this trade is going to close. That was a winning trade. I was close. One of the first one was a losing trade, and the second two were winning trades. I started looking at the chart when the market was exactly here on this doji. I waited for this one to close above. You know that if we break a doji, we can take a reversal trade, right? If we have the proper market, right? So I look at the previous dojis and I saw that they have worked. And then I was thinking that I'm going to take this trade. Then I saw the gap down, right? Then I decided to not take this trade because of gap down. You know that if we have a gap down, the buyers can give us green candle. And the reason why is, look at this. This is the same doji break, but we see gap up. So this didn't give us the green candle. So I thought this gap also may work and it gives us the green one. Because gap down is in favor of the buyers and gap up in the favor of sellers. So I didn't take it. And it just waited, and then the market broke this doji. And I wanted to take this, but I missed it because look, there's no gaps. This is pattern. We are in the proper ranging market. Also, good thing about this is that, look, this is a beautiful opportunity. Like, we have common point of rejection, see? Line, common point of rejection line. I could take this trade exactly right here. This would be a short shot. Unfortunately, I missed it. So yeah, now we're here. I'm on the chart for about 10 minutes now. And I'm trying to find some good trades. Okay, this is a gap up, you see, just like the previous one, the favor of sellers, but we don't have any other setup here to take. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a buy. No, again, we see gap up. Let me just take this sell. If there wasn't any gap up, I would take the buy, because obviously this is a market sequence. This is proper ranging market and everything. This is also a rejection market. Market reacted from the decision point, so it's healthy enough to trust the setups. Like, this is this mark everything. This is the respected resistance previously. See how many times it's respected. And then it got broken. Let me just make this blue. And then it got broken. We have this demand right before breakout. This is the point. The market decided to do this breakout. So there's some unfilled orders inside of it. That's why it reacted from this area. Let me just go to lower time frame. See what we have. Okay, that was a winning trade. Yeah, we have this lower time frame entry for this trade too. All right. Let's see. That was a winning trade. This was a market sequence. It could give us the green candle, right? But since we have gap up in the favor of sellers, it's less likely to give us the green candle. Sometimes it still does, but I don't trust that. So, oh, this one is also very good. Like, this is a double top and then created lower low. This is the third touch, broke the third touch. And again, gap up as a confirmation. Also, it's breaking. Okay, I take it. It gave me the entry to enter. It also broke the overlapping level. So it works like a doji. When we have overlap, basically there's a candle that's been skipped right? Most likely a doji. So there's a doji missing right here. So when we break an overlap, we can get a retracement, just like when we break a doji. This is a gap down again in the favor of buyers. If we consider this as a QM and check the higher time frame entries, we don't have engulf. If we had engulf and everything for this QM, we could take this trade, especially if we have common point of rejection. This would be a nice common point of rejection for me. Let me see. Like, this is a good common point of rejection, gap down in the favor of bars. But since we don't have proper QM, I didn't consider taking this. Oh shit, we have also this common point of rejection. This would be definitely a safe entry. Yeah. So I'm just gonna move on. This is another QM. It looks like it's already played out. We don't have engulf again, so we're not going to take that trade. This is a gap down. I want to take with 250. It's only 9 seconds remaining. This is just out of emotions. So I'm taking 250. Come on. It was a losing trade. Fine. Oh shit. Yeah. Let's just move on. I'm still trying to find a good setup. Okay, I'm taking this. Okay, finally we found the trade. Look at this. You see the engulf, and then inside the engulf we have nice little QM setup. And then we have common point of rejection. Okay, come on. If it goes up, I'm entering again. Oh, okay, common point of rejection. This is overlapping level, right? And I'm sure if I go to lower time frame, I may have... Oh my god, man. This was beautiful. Do not make me lose this trade, man. Okay, come on. The PO recently has been crazy with these closing prices. Okay, so it has also a lower time frame entry, common point of rejection and everything. So that was a very good trade. I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. I'm trying to reach 20k. I'm trying to reach the 20k for my withdrawal. I'll need some withdrawal for the competition winners. It's already going on, and yeah, do not forget to join the official Telegram channel. Every announcement and everything will be there. I do not sell signals and copy trade. Thank you for watching, and peace out.